What's up, guys? Sam from TRC back again. Got a real nice treat for you guys this morning. We have a 1998 Supra with only 3,533 miles on it. This is the last production year that these cars came into the US, and this is potentially, as far as I know, one of the lowest mileage and nicest examples in the world or in North America.
It has all like the factory like assembly markings still on it. All the torque markings on everything.
Look at that. Let me see if I can get in there a little better. Yeah. You guys can see this. See if I can adjust this a little better. There we go. All the marks from the factory are still on there. I mean, it's brand new. You can see it's been driven a little bit, but it looks brand new underneath here. Unreal. So clean. It's all factory, everything factory paint.
You can rip that seat cover off.
Okay. It's like unwrapping a sweet candy for the first time. I mean, this is crazy. Look how clean this interior is. This is the last production year that they brought these to the US, so this might be one of the last ones ever brought to the US, if possible. Oh, that's nice. 3,533 miles, guys. Crazy clean. Let's pop this forward. See the rear interior? Spotless. Looks like no one's ever sat back there, actually. I don't think anyone's ever sat in the back seat, huh?
No, it's like not even a crinkle.
Yeah, not even a single crinkle in there.
Even the bolsters usually get pretty bad, like in here. And they're not that bad.
Yeah, I mean, that's
being
natural anyways for leather aging. Yeah, so even if you didn't sit on these at all, I think they would still actually crinkle a little bit just with age, but yeah, it's perfect. Got the tape deck in there, the best technology from 1998. Fire it up. Go pop. They're like brand new, they're covered up.
Yeah, those.
Yeah. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Yeah. It's hard to see, but. Really? Yeah, these say Supra on them right here. It's kind of hard to see, but. For these mats?
Yeah.
$1,500? Yeah.
$1,500 for new in the box. I think I paid like $230.
Where did you find this car?
It originally came from New Mexico. I found it from my good buddy Victor at Induction Performance.
Shout out to Victor at Induction out there in Tampa. Well, that's what a brand new Supra engine looks like. Definitely the cleanest stock 2JZ I've ever seen. Come to think of it, I don't even know if I've seen a stock 2JZ. Not like this. This is crazy.
Oh, they at least always have the airbox removed. So like this piece.
I was just wondering this right here.
That's the airbox.
Yeah, this is cool.
That's usually gone.
It's cool though. I like the setup.
It drags a little bit of air through this little port here. Puts it in there, but yeah, this is generally always gone.
First thing I noticed was this
Gone.
piece right here.
Yeah, usually it's gone.
Yeah. How long have you had it now?
6 months, I think.
6 months? And how many miles have you driven it in 6 months?
I think we're up to like 1.8 or 2.1, somewhere between those two.
1.8, 2.1 miles, guys. So.
They were fun.
It was a good time, yeah. It's a good run. He lives his life a quarter mile at a time, so that's actually like 6 runs right there or whatever. We're gonna take this baby 1.6 kilometers. For all you Euro viewers, it's a mile. For all you American viewers. shop security here. When you get into this car. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. It's got a little power.
Got a little something from 98.
I don't think I've been in a bone stock Supra. I don't know, but I don't think so. I think every Supra I've been in has been modified a little bit at least. Oh, we went up one. There you have it, guys. All right, great ride. That's so cool. Blast from the past.
The internet's gonna scream that we devalued it.
We devalued the car. Sorry, guys.
You gotta drive it a little bit.
Yeah.
Keep the fluids going.
I completely agree. You know, even just around the block real quick like this, every now and then is good for them. Gets the tires moving. You don't get flat spots on the tires.
Yeah.
Get the oil moving around the engine.
Right. Something for
Look at that.
For the 90s.
And you own a 1,000+ horsepower Supra as well, so
yeah, this one much different. This is way more enjoyable to drive.
yeah, this is definitely more of a streetable compared to the other one. Oh yeah. Oh, we're getting dirty looks from the neighbors. So the car was purchased, you said, from New Mexico.
New Mexico, yes.
And it was sourced by the guys at Induction and Certified Motors, correct?
Correct, yeah.
Shout out to Vic at Induction.
And Joe over at Certified.
Joe over at Certified Motors. Both those guys based out of Tampa. Those guys move a lot of Supras. Hey, I appreciate you taking me out though, man.
Yeah, we did.
That's fucking super cool.
I know it's not the most exciting thing I've ever been in, but...
Nah, it's cool in its own right though, you know? And here we got the Induction boat car. This is the Rat Rod Supra here. She's got some character, you know? So the outside might be a little spotty, but the inside is not. The inside in this car is perfect.
Full AC, full stereo.
Full AC, full stereo, full weight, more or less. So you got the Pro EFI gauge display here. It's got everything you could possibly need: oil pressure, fuel pressure, coolant temperature. You scroll through. Pop the hood, yeah? Oh yeah. Precision, looks like a 76, right? 76? 76. Yeah.
Mechanical fuel pump.
It's got a mechanical fuel pump in here. It's gear driven, right?
Yeah.
Off the intake cam, right? Yeah, intake cam gear. Got ID2000s in there. Got dual tiles. Dual tile wastegates here. Anyways, we'll have to come back and check this car more in depth, but just wanted to glance at the rat rod that was here too. All right, guys, Sam from TRC signing off. Want to give a thanks to my buddy Dan back here for letting us check the car out. See you guys next time. Peace.